Hello, my name is Moisan and today we're going to be making teriyaki salmon. So this is basically some salmon which you marinate in a spicy, sweet, salty sauce known as teriyaki sauce. Then we're going to fry it in a frying pan. It's going to be very tasty. So in this dish here I have 4 salmon fillets. It's about 1 fillet per person. This recipe serves 4. And now we're going to cook them in a delicious teriyaki marinade. To start off with our marinade, we're going to start off with soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Lovely jubbly. Next, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, known as mirin. Just adds a little bit of acidity to the marinade. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. If I can open the bottle, that'd be nice. There we go. We're gonna add some honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, and finally, we're gonna add our aromatics that we chopped up earlier. So we got our ginger and garlic here, and our red chilli. Okay, now we're just gonna mix that around so that our salmon fillets are completely coated in the marinade. So that looks good to me. Now we're gonna put our salmon fillets in the fridge to marinate for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna cook the salmon. So just heat a ring on like a medium heat, and then we're gonna place a griddle pan on top of that. Now, don't worry if you don't have a griddle pan, you can just use an ordinary frying pan. I just use the griddle pan, you know, for the flex. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to the griddle pan just to let it heat up. Now we're gonna add our salmon skin down to the griddle pan. When you're laying the salmon down, make sure you lay it away from you so that the oil doesn't spit in your face. So like away from you. So over the other way. Thank you. Then, there we go. So the salmon's been cooking for about 4 minutes, so it's time to flip it over. Look at that crispy skin. Ooh. No, come on, please. There we go. Oosh. Oosh. There we go, lovely jubbly. We're just going to cook that for another 4 minutes now. And also, now drizzle the rest of our teriyaki sauce into the pan. Okay, the fish is done. So now it's time to plate it up. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Exquisite. Drizzle a little bit of the, oh geez, a little bit of the sauce on top. Look at that. And now I'm going to serve it with some noodles on the side. And then we're going to serve that with a couple of pieces of broccoli. That is that. That is a teriyaki salmon done. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.